How to fix Roblox Error Code 277? Please check your internet connection and try again error. First step, search for run and type the following text ncpa.cpl. Click OK. Right click and disable it. Once disabling after 5 to 10 seconds after, one more time right click and enable it. After enabling, right click, click properties, click configure, click advanced, click preferred band, set it as no preference, click OK. After move on with next step, clear Roblox cache, search for run and type the following text percentage local app data percentage, click OK. Search for Roblox folder, click it, click the download folder, delete the folder inside the download folder, come back, click local storage folder, delete the files inside the local storage, come back, click log folder, delete the files and folder inside the log folder, and move on with next step. Search for Windows Defender Firewall, click it, select allow an app, select change settings, scroll down and search for Roblox. You should enable in both private and public. If it's not enabled means you can enable it. If Roblox not having means click allow another app, click browse and you can add it. For easy method, come outside, right click, open file location of the Roblox, copy the address in the top side, come back, click browse, paste the address here. You can easily get the application, click it and add it. Once adding, after enable both private and public, and move on with next step. Search for command prompt, right click, click run as administrator, type the following text ipconfig space / flush DNS. Second command ipconfig space / release. Next command ipconfig space / renew. Next command netsh space winsock space reset. Exit it. Next step, click settings, click network and internet settings, click advanced network settings, click network reset, click reset now. Once reset complete, after you can check if the problem still remains. The last and final step, click settings, click app settings, click install app, scroll down and search for Roblox. Click the three dot icon in the right hand side, uninstall it. Once uninstall, after go to the official website of Roblox, download and install the latest version. Thank you.